Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my tomato sauce, and also I will show you guys how I preserve it that will last me for a very long time. So let's get started. So guys, here are the tomatoes that I'm going to be using. I got these organic tomatoes from a farmer close to my house. I'm going to go ahead to start washing them. You need to wash them very well. So I got these tomatoes 4 days ago. So you don't need to start the process the same day you got your tomatoes. I leave it to rest for about 3 to 4 days. That will help the tomatoes to be very matured. It will be very soft before you start the process of making your sauce. I'm just going to be washing it again one more time. You need to wash it up to 3 times so that your tomatoes will be very clean. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Shade. Feel free to watch this video, and if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, set the notification bell to all so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos that will be uploading on my channel. For my old returnees, thank you for always stopping by. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So here are the tomatoes. I've finished washing them. I'm just going to go ahead and start slicing them into a little pieces, as you can see. So guys, every year I make tomato sauce like this because my neighbors, they have a very big garden and they harvest a lot of tomatoes. Sometimes I decide to sell some part of those tomatoes, then I will go there and buy some from them. So here are the chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to start the cooking process. I'll be dividing these tomatoes into 2 parts. I'll be making one without anything, then the other part I'm going to be adding some basil leaves. Here is the basil leaf that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to add it into this part. Then I'm going to cook everything together. You don't need to add any water into your pot, and just cover it, allow it to cook. And the tomatoes will release its own water. You are going to cook it until the water dried up. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Then I'll cover it, I'll allow it to cook. So now I'm going to use my hand blender to blend everything together. So as you can see, I've blended everything together. I'm just going to allow this one to cook for another 10 minutes with a low heat. I will repeat the same thing to the other one. I'm going to blend everything together, then I will allow it to cook for another 10 minutes with a low heat. So as you can see, the tomatoes is ready. I'm just going to leave it on top of my stove with a very low heat. To preserve my tomato sauce, I'm going to be using this glass container. These are new ones. You can use your old ones, but you need to buy new cover. Don't use your old cover. You can use your old bottle, but make sure you get a new cover. It's very important. I'm just going to go ahead to wash all these bottle containers with a warm water. You also need to wash the cover of the bottles properly. When you finish washing your bottle, you just allow them to dry up. I'm just going to set them aside. I will allow them to dry up very well, as you can see here. Now I'm going to be filling these bottles with the tomato sauce. Guys, this is really fun to make, and try it out. It's so good. I love doing this. It's fun for me to make this tomato sauce. I'm going to be closing the bottles. Make sure they are well sealed, please, and close it properly. Now I'm going to be putting them inside my pot. You need a deep pot because you want the water to cover the bottles. I'm going to cook this for about 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours. So when it's ready, you just allow it to cool down. Here is the end result. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.